If you've ever wanted to use Higgsfield but didn't want to pay for it, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get full access, completely free and unlimited for an entire day. No shortcuts, no catches, just a simple method that actually works. Let's get right into it. So as you know, Higgsfield has been the #1 platform out there because of its amazing capabilities, and they do have lots and lots of amazing modules. But there was one problem. Higgsfield was paid, but say no more. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how new users can access Higgsfield with up to 22 modules, completely free and unlimited for one day. In order to do this, make sure you're a new user, and you can sign up. They have different sign-up options. Now, listen closely, because in order for you to get Higgsfield for completely free and unlimited, you need to be a new user. So that means you need to sign up with a fresh account. What's great is that you can now use the MCP feature with a free account, and you can use this unlimitedly on Claude or ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do just that. Now, do keep in mind that to get a free trial, you need to input your credit card. But that's okay, because you can cancel the subscription before the 24 hours begins. Once you're signed up, you will have 24 hours free for every top model out there, which is actually just great. So once you're logged in, you should have your interface looking like this. Now, let me show you just how this works. If you head over to Video and click right here on Create Video, you'll be loaded over to this interface. You can see that I myself have been testing this out now with my free account. If you want to generate, you can see I have Seedance 2 selected, and you get this unlimited mode, which you can toggle on, and you'll be able to generate for completely free. That is just how it works, so you can test it out with your free account. But now, let me show you how to use the MCP tool, because if you head over here and click on MCP, you'll be loaded over to this interface. Now you can see the steps are clear. All you have to do is open a new tab and head over to your Claude chat. Now, in order to connect your Higgsfield to Claude, all you have to do is hover over here and click on Settings. Now what you want to do is head over to Connectors and then Add. And you should see a drop-down menu where you can click on Add Custom Connectors. Now, of course, we're going to be connecting Higgsfield. So for the name, we're just going to say Higgsfield, just like this. And for the remote MCP URL, you can head back to your Higgsfield account and copy this right here. Once you have it copied down, you can head back to Claude and paste it in just like this. And you can click on Add and Connect. Finally, you'll be loaded over to a different interface where you then have to select Allow in order for Higgsfield to be connected officially. Before we head over to generating images and videos and basically anything we want with Claude connected with Higgsfield, you need to make sure you connected it right. Because if you click on the plus button, you should see connectors right here, and Higgsfield should be selected. Now, my advice for you is don't jump right into generating. What I want you to do is head over to Manage Connectors and select Higgsfield. And I recommend putting this on Always Allow. This ensures that you do not run into any errors while generating with Higgsfield. Once that's done, you're pretty much good to go. We can start the generation process by basically talking to Claude. For example, I can tell it I want to generate a video of a woman playing with her dog in a park. For example, we can say I want this to be 10 seconds long. Since we have access to Seedance 2 with the free and unlimited account, we can say use Seedance 2 for this. And we can send it over. And Claude is currently processing our request. As you can see here, this is just wonderful because our video is generating right here, all in the Claude interface. And if you look over here, you can see it's using Higgsfield to generate our video for us. And honestly, this is just great because you can basically have a whole conversation with Claude and can as well generate images and videos with high quality completely free as of now. Okay, so just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our video for us. Okay, in no time, our video is done generating. Let's play this and have a look. And wasn't that just great? No weird mumbling, no distortion, and it generated our video just as we asked in the prompt. It used Seedance 2 for the model and is exactly 10 seconds long. And what's best about this is that you can download it straight to your device. Now, you can also use it not only to generate videos, you can as well use it to build and scale your brand, generate product, images, and videos as well. For example, I can say, I want images for my brand named Nautica, just like this. And you can also tell it that you don't have the product images, so it should generate high-quality images for us. Once your prompt is ready, you can send this over. And why I love this is you're not only generating with Higgsfield, you're actually generating the prompts automatically with Claude just by discussing with it, and it knows what's best for you. And it's currently generating some images for us. Let's give it a couple of seconds while it generates. And in no time, it has generated these beautiful images for us. And each and every one of these has something unique about them, and you can choose which one you like best and rebrand it from there. This is just great. And it's actually a great feature, given that we actually used each and every one of these models completely free using the Higgsfield trial program. Now, the link will be in my bio, so make sure to check it out.